like that. I think that this holds 20 BBs. This little stock it comes with. Comes with a bipod and stuff. Here is a little screwdriver to fix your gun and add some. Oh, this is hard looking. Has all different types of screws and stuff. Here's the ammo it comes with. They are white 6mm BBs. It says, warning, choking hazard, not for children under 3 years of age. Alright, now let's get to the bipod. So, here's the bipod. I'm not sure if I will use this in Airsoft Wars. I don't think I'm going to use this, but, you know, I like to be able to run around and shoot. But definitely, if you get it, definitely I prefer you guys to use it. I don't even know how to open this. That's a lot of other YouTubers had problems with opening this bipod, but yeah, a lot of YouTubers had this problem. But we are going to take out the gun. You know, that's not last. There's some other stuff, but I said last, but we're not going to take it out last. Whoa, it's pretty big. It has an orange top, a little hole on the orange top, of course, to shoot at the BB. Here it is. It is a pretty big trigger. This is where the stock would go. Without the stock, I don't think it's a good gun, because you're touching plastic pretty much. Bolt action goes up, pulls back, comes down. We'll go over that. It's wet right now because of how cold it was outside. But bolt action. Let's see how this bolt action really works. See if this thing even works good. Okay, I can't even figure out how to. Oh my god! You just fire. See this bolt action? You pick it up, pull it back, push it in, and put it back. And then, when you're ready to fire, let's see. Guys, I don't know where the sling is. I thought it's supposed to come with a sling, but I guess not. But let's put the safety off, which is on the side of the gun. And, okay. Oh yeah. Whoa, that's a cool gun. So, this goes up. You would shoot. To shoot, you would just pull it up. So, laying down. Pull it up, pull it back, push it back up, close it down, and it fires. This is a, I'm pretty sure 400 FPS sniper rifle. This is pretty cool, and let's try to attach this bipod to it. The bipod just slides right in on the bottom. And then when you open it, I think you have to, whoopsies. I think I broke a leg of the bipod by accident, but yeah, you have to add screws to it wherever it fits you on the side of the bipod so it doesn't just fall off while you're playing. Let's add on the scope. Whoops, wrong way. Well, this scope is pretty difficult to get on. So, we're going to get to this scope in a little bit. Let's just we're going to get the stock right on. So here's the stock. Stock will go on pretty nicely. You just push the gun right in, I think. I don't know if I'm doing it right now, but, yeah, the gun it slides right into the stock. Let me cut off this tag, because this tag is actually getting in the way of doing it, but, yeah. Alright, tag's off. Let me get on the stock for you guys. Let me look in here. Alright. yeah, the stock I can't even get on. This gun's difficult, a lot of parts on it, but like to get on and off, and you know, that's the bad part about this gun. It's one of those really hard guns. It's hard to get everything off. Let me just pull this down. I'm gonna actually shoot it right now in my room. Let's use the speed loader to load it. I do not exactly even know where you load it. Maybe. I should look at the manual like you're supposed to. Okay, it shows how to get on the stock. The ZM51 butt installation instructions. Oh, I know why I couldn't get it on. It's supposed to be difficult. Alright, take down the 2 projection plates from the handguard. So, I'm guessing these are the 2 projection, there are 2 projection plates. Yeah, take both of these projection plates off from the handguard. So, like so, you just want to see the grip things, like grip looking things. You just want to slide them off. And then you can just, you have to do that. And then you can just easily put it right, okay, never mind. And then it says to just slide it on. And put the projection plates back on, and you're all done. So, let me just add this on. Once I get it to get on. Wow, this is difficult, this gun. This gun is one of my favorite guns I have. I don't even have that much airsoft guns. I have a secret video coming up for you guys. A secret video. So, yeah, that's all the guns. That's a secret one. I just kind of gave it away, but I'm coming up with a secret video for you guys. I'm getting some crazy stuff in the mail soon, but so it shows you have to hold it, go like this, and you just need to ready? Oh, it has grease all over it. That was gross. Now I have grease all over my hands. This is hard to even fit in here. But we're gonna do it. Got it, finally. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God, it came back off. I got it on. Alright, so now we're going to put on these little pads as shown. Well, I'll do the other side for you. You can't see this side. This is hard. Alright. One piece broke off. Darn it. A piece broke off, guys. That's a problem. No, that's not a problem. It's actually on. Fine. My boys. So when I'm running, when I'm running with this gun, this part might come off by accident, but we're gonna make sure it doesn't. So yeah. Now we are going to add the sight. There is no instructions. Okay. we are going to add this on ourselves because we're savages and we can do whatever the heck we want. I just don't even know how the heck you even load it. But, oh yeah. Alright guys. So, to load it, on the bottom there's a button. You just want to squeeze on the button and remove this thing on the bottom, as you may see. Let me show you. This, and there's a little button in there. Pretty sure we have to... just load it like that. So, yeah. Alright. I think it holds 20. So, we're going to put them in the speed loader. I'm going to use the BBs it comes with right now. But I'm never going to really use them for when I'm airsofting. But for right now, we're going to use the BBs it comes with. Alright, so I got one. I need 19 more. So, I'm just going to push down. Ah! I put too much and it exploded all over me. My bad. By the way, guys, if you want to know what inspired me to make my channel, Novarich. Go and watch Novarich, and I would love if Novarich could sponsor me, but go and watch Novarich. He is the best airsoft YouTuber, and yeah, he's the best person ever. He's awesome. Alright guys, so we have this loaded. Now you loaded it, you just want to push it right back in to the gun. Alright, it's in. So now we're going to shoot it in the house. And I'm going to close my eyes when you guys are not going to close your eyes because, you know, you're a camera and you don't do that. So, oh, crud. Okay, I messed it up. Oh my god, that was a mess up. I accidentally just shot it in the house by accident. Ready? Oh my god, I dented my wall. Alright, ready? Set. Yeah, we're not going to do that anymore. But safety's on. Now, what we're going to do, pull this off. This is the sight, by the way. And voila, the red sight is on, even though I can't see anything through it. I can't see a thing. I mean, maybe because I'm in a dark room, which is my room. It's always dark. Alright, I'm going to ask my dad to attach this. But you guys can see, that's the red dot. If I look through here, I could see it better. If you're hiding in the woods with this gun, people easily see you, by the way. This dot is really light. But that's about it. The bipod, I don't think so right now. I don't think I'm going to add this on. And the scope, I'm not going to add it on, I'm sorry. But, alright guys, subscribe, like this video, comment down below. And yeah, subscribe to my other channel, SpideyBowman0. And don't forget to subscribe to Novarich, Dutch the Hooligan, and Silo Entertainment. They are what inspired me to make this YouTube channel. Alright guys, so bye. Have a great night or day. And I'll see you in a little bit with my next video. Okay. So, I have one last thing to say. I have the special thing coming, like I told you, in the mail. And it might come tomorrow, I don't know. But, yeah, so, I don't know why I made that so serious sounding like. But, yep, it's gonna come tomorrow, maybe. So, bye guys, subscribe, just, bye guys.